Hi everyone. So today we'll check one more report. So the report is service wallet report. So what do you understand by the service wallet report? So the report is related to the services and services. What is the services? That is the AMC or the CMC what we provide. So this report basically gives us the details of the number of the AMCs which have been collected, number of the CMCs, number of the service charges, what are being collected by the service engineer. So the data is shown here. You will understand what is the count, what is the value, what we have collected for the particular time period. So here you can see the start date and the end date, which are the headers, the type of the task, that is, so if you want to understand if it is AMC, if it is CMC, if it is one time service charges, or if it is AMC in RR, or any complementary services what we have provided. So here it is mentioned as the payment mode. So they get an option to mention mention the payment mode, the mode what they have got the payment. Then here is the payment status. So it is assigned, that is once an engineer adds the AMC or CMC, it is seen as assigned. Then the finance team, if the payment is not received, they can update the status as payment not received. If they have received the payment, the finance team can update the status as payment received. Invoice generated can be updated by the sales admin team once they uh, prepare the invoice for the payment which is received. Contract updated again can be updated by the sales admin team. That is, once they take an AMC, a contract it has been updated for 1 year, 2 year as per the AMC details, and the way they can update the contract here. So if you want, you can select the filter as a state name, or if you want, you can get the data as per the engineer. So basically, these are the filters available by which you can download the report and check it as per your requirement. This report also can be downloaded. So I have downloaded one of the report just to make you understand the complete concept of it. So basically, every AMC, CMC, service charges, anything which is taken or collected by the engineer, they update it here, for which a ticket number is assigned, that is by default from the LTS itself. So ticket number is generated. Here the name of the engineer is being seen. So which engineer has updated the call type, and then the date when he has done it, the type of the task, that is AMC collected. Here, they also mention if it has been collected from the customer or the distributor. Then the customer name, the customer city, the state, the payment, like the payment mode, what you have collected. So here we can see the check deposited by the engineer, and then they mention what is the amount they have collected, the check number, the check date, then the check deposited date. So check date is 11th of September, and they have deposited on 19th of September. Then here we could see the status of that, that is invoices generated against it after all this thing. Here we can see the TET of account. Here we can see the TET of sales admin. So that when an engineer adds everything, complete details, the ticket has been generated, then it goes to the finance team to confirm whether the payment is received by us. And once finance team confirms that the payment is received, the sales admin team, they generate the invoice against it. They upload the invoice on the portal, and then they update the contract against the AMC which has been collected by the engineer. So basically, this report also help us to understand here what is the performance of the finance team, how fast they are able to confirm on the payment, how fast sales admin team is able to prepare the invoices against the payment confirmation. Also, engineer wise, we can understand number of the AMCs, what they have collected for the month, or value wise, we can understand what is their contribution. And also, not only value wise, also we can understand, like, for example, if you want to understand which zone is performing better in the service AMC, CMC service charges collection, which state is performing or person is performing. So all that data can be seen, can be viewed from this report. So this way, this AMC service quality report can be used for the service team to understand their performance and also help those who are not able to perform in a right direction so that the managers can take the precautions on it. If there someone is not performing, someone is not able to collect the AMC, the name will not be seen. And also the data, we can use this data for the dashboard for the engineers. So that's it. Thank you.